YouTube, I guess I'm gonna make a video about this. The OG V8S10. I freaking smacked a deer a while back. Dude, the fucking OG V8S10. Messed up the whole front end. Everything's smashed into the front end here. So right now I'm pulling everything off. I'm gonna cut the core support right here, open it up so I can get this radiator and stuff off. I'm gonna replace this whole front end. Fenders need to go. Hood, core support. Looks like everything, all these pulleys except for the crank pulley and the alternator pulley. Alternator pulley got a little bit, but it seems okay. The crank pulley looks totally fine, but the water pump pulley and the power steering, the whole power steering got jammed up. See no leaks or anything. This is all just like residual shit. But the front seal's all good all the way around. The gasket's good. So I'm just gonna throw a new front assembly on this sucker. Pad pile so far. Still have a whole bunch to go. At the scrapyard right now, gonna score some parts for the OG S10. I have options between that black Blazer or this S10. This has a pretty clean front end on it. Is probably gonna take this fender right here, pretty clean, and this core support right here is super clean. I have a hood already. I'll check this core support. This fender over here is a little fucked, blasted. So I'm probably gonna take the other fender off that Blazer. Over here, Matt and his little brother's getting the front and rear axles out of this F-150 there. Alright, just loaded shit up. Core support, extra wheel for the full drive S10. Fucking Matt and his little brother's shit. Some front end shit. Alright, got back from the scrapyard. Got this new fender, core support, this fender right here. Ended up scooping up this roll pan. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on this truck, but got it because it was cool. And then so hood. I'm gonna take the rest of this crap off and then get to slapping these new ones on. Start slapping the new body panels on. Then I'm gonna redo all this wiring and stuff. It's a little spaghettied. Might as well fix that. I got the fender, the core support, and the other fender all cleaned up. Gonna primer them black. That way they all match, and then stick them on. Just slap this fender on. It's all primered. I primered both fenders and the core support, and then recoated the frame, all that crap. So about to slap the core support on now, and then I'll do the other fender. Alright, front of the S10's all wrapped up, at least for the metal components and stuff. I do have a different bezel that I'm going to end up painting black. I'd stick it right there, end up painting this hood black. Also, I have the metal trim that goes down here. You guessed it, it's going black. Another day, another couple parts painted. Got the hood right here. Got the lower trim here and the upper trim here. Looks freaking sweet. I did fuck up and I used primer for this. So this is all just primered. And this I went with the paint primer. So they're two totally different colors. I'm gonna have to fix that. But it's just gotta do until I'm able to get the truck repainted. Also, I scooped some new taillights for her. So I'm gonna throw these on. This one has the trim. It's all black and dumb. And this one has like just a plastic trim. So I'm gonna make them matching. There's a crispy taillights on it. Looks way better. So I pulled the whole wiring harness out because it looked like shit. I'm gonna rewire everything. All the wiring's completely off. This is like one of the only things. It's just like to the alternator and stuff, and then this goes to the starter. But I'm gonna rewire all that crap.